I'm Annette Julie, and thank you for joining us for pattern making class. We just finished part 1, 2, and 3. I think this is part number 4. So what we're going to go ahead and do right now is draw in some hip curves. And you have many different choices of how curvy the hip can actually be. In the front, I'm just doing a 10-inch hip. And in the back, I could do a 10-inch hip, which might look something like this. Or I could choose to do an 11-inch hip, which might look something more like that. So you have 2 different hip curves. 10 inches or a bit more curvy for 11-inch. Now at this point, we're going to go ahead and cut and separate the front from the back. I'm going to put the back over here to the side, and we're going to take our front. We're going to bring our armhole notch in, put a little U around it, and now we're going to go ahead and fold our dart. And we're going to fold it right from that tip. So we're going to crease it right at the tip, and then I'm going to take the dart leg and I'm going to crease it, the lower one, and I'm going to pull it up onto the upper dart leg. Then I'm going to recrease that paper. Just lay that down nice and flat. Now I can draw the rest of my side seam from my underarm down to my waist. I can go ahead and give it a nice crease. And when I open it up, I can copy my crease lines. That's what the front's looking like. Now we can go ahead and we can place our dart situation on the front. We're going to extend 1 inch from where our dart is right now. We're going to go ahead and mark our apex, and then we're going to draw our torso darts. We're also going to do that on the back. Let's draw a horizontal balance line. Let's back this dart off 1 inch and give it new dart legs. Draw some little U's over our dart legs here at the side. And our drill hole or back off point would be a 1/2 inch from that. So here's our apex. And the rest of our darts are going to be developed from the apex. So go ahead and draw a line that is parallel to the center front and perpendicular to your waist and hem. And that is going to be the middle of your first dart. Then draw a line 1 3/4 of an inch away. That's going to be the middle of your second dart. So 3 inches below, you're going to draw a line crossing. This is from your waist. The waist down, that's 3 inches. That's where the dart's going to end. And up here in the top, you're going to go down 1 inch from the apex. That's where it's going to end. And then 1 inch from the inner dart leg, down. Now we can draw the rest of our darts in here. So at the waist, where the middle of the dart meets, let's go out 1/4 of an inch on both of the darts, on both sides, so that it becomes a 1/2 of an inch dart. Now let's connect the dart legs from the dart tip to the waist, down to the dart tip. There's our first dart. Let's do our second dart. Waist, down to the dart tip, waist to dart tip to waist. You can draw in your back off points where you could put a little drill hole or a permanent mark that you would sew past. That completes our torso front. I will continue in the next video to complete the torso back. This is Annette Julie. Thanks for watching.